Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how can create and monetize your Facebook profile using professional modes. So if you ever wonder how to make money directly from Facebook account without creating a page, then videos is for you. So make you watch till ends. So first go to profile on Facebook app. So first of all open Facebook app and then tap on profile icon. After that tap on three dots, then selected the profile, turn on professional mode. Now click it and then tap on turn on, waiting few seconds. Now we can see he is asking welcome to professional mode. You unlocked more tools on your profile to help you grow your public prints and achieve your goals. Defines your audience, learn about monetization tools, explore professional mode and celebrate. Click next. Define your audience, you can let people see your contents. Next. After that choose here's audience. Now tap here public. Now click on next. After use public default audience text settings. Now tap on confirm. Now here's your default audience public, then tap next. Now skip and go to professional dashboard. Now we can see here's professional mode turn on. Now gets 20 new followers and create a 10 public post and post. So create 10 new public post. After that, so back home screen, again open Facebook app and then tap on profile. Now check here's professional dashboard. Now we can see here's improve monetization turn on. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like, share. So thanks for watching videos. Thank you.